Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya, and if you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and simple makeup. Before applying makeup, make sure that your face is clean and moisturized. I'm using Nykaa avocado oil. You can use any primer of your choice. And I'm gonna remove the excess oil or excess product from my face using a tissue paper. For the base, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation 230. I'm going to use a moist beauty blender to blend the foundation. Now I'm going to use a concealer. It's a Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm going to mention the links of the products in the description below so that you can check it out. All the products I'm using here are quite affordable. I'm going to conceal my dark circles and the patches around the mouth. Then I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm using the Nykaa Smoky Eye palette. I'm going to use the reddish brown shade for the eyeshadow. It's kind of a maroon color. Now I'm going to use an eyeshadow near to that shade, but a little glittery one. Now I'm going to highlight the middle portion of my eyelid by using this lighter beige glitter eyeshadow. I hope it's visible to you guys. The light is a little low today. Now I'm going to use the eyeliner. As it is a simple look, I'm not going to do anything dramatic. I'm just going to draw a simple line. Now I'm going to apply some kajal. I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. The kajal really highlights the eyes, so I love to apply kajal. It's my personal favorite. Now I'm going to smudge the kajal with a brush a little bit. I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to do my brows. I'm using Swiss Beauty black eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to fill and shape my brows. I'm going to do some contouring. I'm using Insights Duo Stick, which has both highlighter and contour stick. I got this from the Amazon sale at a very reasonable price. I'm going to do a haul video. You can click the I button to check out the video. I'm going to contour my temple, my cheek, my nose and my jawline. I personally think contouring is really helpful because it gives you that edgy look, that sharp and edgy look. I have a round face, so I really like to do this. You have to blend it really good. I think I'm done. How do I look? Now I'm going to highlight the areas that reflect light. To highlight my face, I'm going to highlight the nose, near my brows, eyelids, chin, my upper lip, temple and my cheekbones. I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender because the stick I'm using is kind of creamy, it's not powdery. If you are using a powder highlighter, make sure that you apply it with a brush. Now I'm going to use a little bit of powder highlighter. For my lips, I'm going to use Maybelline Color Crayon. As it is a festive look, I'm going to apply a dark and vibrant shade. I'm going to remove the extra lip color by using a tissue paper so that it doesn't smudge. I always do it. See, it's not coming off anymore. So I'm done with my makeup. How do I look? To complete the look, I'm going to wear some earrings, a bindi. I hope you guys liked my simple Diwali makeup. So I'm ready and this is my complete look. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.